Hi YouTube, John Pinkney here with Garden Pro Tools, here to show you a great little shovel that I discovered called the Spear Head Spade. This is a fantastic shovel for transplanting and planting new shrubs, especially when you want to be really precise. This is a shovel that's been cut down from your traditional round point shovel and pointed and razor edged along, so it can really pierce through the soil that you're trying to tackle, making digging a lot more easier task. I'm going to demonstrate it here, and you can see it goes in a full length without barely putting any pressure, and you can really work your way around. I love these wide grips. They didn't take that away from you, which gives you a lot more scooping capacity and a nice wide footprint to put your shoe. Also, like I said, works really well for digging. Oh, there's the rock. And that point really moves those rocks out of the way and gets around them, unlike a round point shovel, which has a more blunt end to it. So if you're looking for a great little shovel to garden with, check out the Spear Head Spade at gardenprotools.com, or if you visit Spear Head Spade's website, put in the discount code GardenPro10 for 10% off your entire order. So have a great day, guys.